Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making Baba Dudu. Yes, a classic sweet. We all grew up loving this. Yes, it is soft, chewing and full of flavor. Just simple ingredients. Yes, slow cooking and it requires a lot of patience. And this is one of those snacks that brings back childhood memories with every bite. So we have a butter, sugar and a bit of vanilla flavor just to make it more flavorful. Then we had evaporated milk. We keep on stirring. Like I said earlier, it requires a lot of patience because you have to be stirring. Yes, and you have a bit of cornflake to make it crunchy. Yeah, at least when you're having your Baba Dudu, you can actually bite something. So as you can see, it's almost done. It's turning back and thinking, and it's becoming thick. Yes. So now it is done. We put it down. Then we do a shape. We form a shape of your choice. Yes. Alright, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comment actually keep me going. You can try this. It is very simple. Yes. Thank you guys. Bye.